How to delete your results in LooksMax AI app. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. First of all, open this very application on your device. Make sure you have installed and updated the latest version. So when you tap on the get your results option and get some results, then you need to add payment for your results as well. And after you get the result and you want to delete it, then you cannot simply delete it if you are not a premium user. If you are a premium user, then you can just press on it and tap on the delete option. But if you are not a premium user, then what you can simply do is you can simply go to the setting option, go to the privacy policy or contact support option, and then you can simply send your question here and also appeal your problem, and then say they will send you feedback after a few days, and then your problem will be solved. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.